I'm here with my new archival pen set by Hethrone. This is a 12-piece set here. It has everything from 0.2 millimeters up to a brush, and that's after the 2.5 millimeters. I keep a journal, so I write a lot of notes. I've tried a lot of digital formats, iPad, Apple paper stuff, and I just like paper the best. So I'm gonna show you here what some of these inks can do. 005 is 0.2 millimeter thick, just really fine elements. You know, if you need to just add a couple like really low details to, you know, to pay attention to. I like that it has this really thick, it goes up to 2.5 millimeters. So if you want to emphasize something, no problem. But it also has this brush, which I love. So this is going to be dependent on how hard you push down on what. You know, you can just have really light strokes, or you can get a thick line out of it. And then it has normal, you know, pen thicknesses. I like a thicker pen when I'm taking notes. Some people might not like something that thick. They want something that's on the thinner side. You have 12 different things that you can choose from, but you can see from this that you can make your notes really fun, non-toxic, really comfortable, writes well. Hethrone 12-piece archival ink pen set.